you always want to have lots of things that you can go out and do. Seismic is, to me, it's just kind of an additional support data, but we had a seismic line that went through there, and a seismic line that went through there, and basically it's not really hard to see the faults. You can certainly see where they break, and those are pretty good little interpretations of it went along and it broke and it fell down that much, and then it was relieved here like by that one. Faults are really notorious for trapping stuff. They just happen to do it. All right, so you look for things like that. Seismic helps you kind of pin down where they are. This is a map that shows all the different faulting that we found in there. It's a structural cross section that shows everything like that, and all the different targets that you're going to go for and stuff like that. My dad was a medical doctor, and I'm a scientist too, so those are things that interest me. Science is something that I always enjoy. Then that was another seismic line. You know, most people would care less about what something like that means, but it's interesting to me. Plus, it pays a lot of money if you're right.
If you're right.
And so, my kids are I have 4 sons, and 2 of them ended up being geologists. So they like it.